Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maya Febriana from Universitas Pekalongan. This is the title of my article, The Authenticity of Reading Activities Using Brown's Model in 12th Grade English Textbook. Introduction. As social beings, language is very important in our life because language as a means of thinking, understanding, and expressing thought and also feeling in the society. One of basic language skills is reading. Reading is a skill that carried out by viewing writing and processing the contents of the writing in a voice or in your heart to understand the information. For students, reading can explore their potential and talent as concentration training, improve their school achievement, and find out all of information around them and process it as a knowledge that can be applied in their life. However, reading interest in Indonesia is low, so Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture make a movement, namely School Literacy Movement or GLS, Gerakan Literasi Sekolah. This movement is a habituation form of reading activity for 15 minutes by students and teachers. Based on the movement, Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture provide textbook as teaching material for implement teaching and learning activity. The textbook divided into two books. There are teacher book and student book. Those books referred to as dynamic book because it can be repaired and updated according with the needs and condition of the students. So, the textbook can keep up with the times. The researcher used two theories. First theory is authenticity by Brown. There are 5 points of authenticity by Brown. First, the language in the text is as natural as possible. Second, items are contextualized rather than isolated. Third, topics are meaningful or relevant and interesting for the learner. Fourth, some thematics organization to item is provided, such as through a storyline or episode. And last, tasks represent or closely approximate real-world tasks. And second, the researcher used basic of competence. The basic of competence is written in the textbook. This research have two statements of problems. First, how is the authenticity of reading assessment containing in English textbook for 12th grade by Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture? Second, how is the appropriateness of reading assessment containing in English textbook for 12th grade by Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture to basic of competence? And the objectives of the study are to describe out the authenticity of reading assessment containing in English textbook for 12th grade by Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture, and to describe the appropriateness of reading assessment containing in English textbook for 12th grade by Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture to basic of competency. Methodology. For data source divided into two, primary data and secondary data. The primary data of this research was reading assessment in English textbook for 12th grade by Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture. The secondary data of this research were teacher and student book, file books, websites, and some relevant journals to support this research. For research design, the researcher used qualitative content analysis research, qualitative research to investigate the authenticity and the appropriateness to basic of competence of reading assessment in English textbook for 12th grade by Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture. The researcher also used content analysis for analyze the authenticity and the appropriateness to basic of competence of reading assessment in English textbook for 12th grade by Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture. The researcher used documentation as technique of collecting data. The researcher must have theoretical sensitivity to analyze all of the sources. So, it is not just a meaningless thing. Findings and discussion. English textbook for 12th grade by Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture has 11 chapters, but not all of the chapters have a reading assessment. There were only 8 chapters that have a reading assessment. In one reading assessment, there were at least 2 tasks, and the total of the tasks that the researcher must analyze were 32 tasks. So, the researcher analyzed 32 tasks for 5 points of authenticity by Brown and basic of competence. Conclusions. The conclusions of this research were: first, for the authenticity by Brown, the researcher found 25 tasks from 32 tasks that fit to 5 points of authenticity by Brown. Those 7 tasks that didn't fit to 5 points of authenticity by Brown because the instruction of the task was not clear, the tasks were boring, the tasks didn't match to the theme, and the tasks didn't relate to the real-world tasks. Second, for the appropriateness to basic of competence, the researcher found 9 tasks from 32 tasks that fit to all point basic of competence, because those tasks fit to basic of competence giving, starting from the title, the content, and the activities of material. The researcher recommend for parties involved in manufacturing the textbook where that task given must be matched to the theme, and to make the task that match to the basic of competence. And also for the authorities who make basic of competence can develop it. There were the references of this research. And thank you for your attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.